Hello everyone, my name is Maria, and I am 20 years old as well. And today I would like to tell you about my family, with whom I live in a warm and happy home. In my family, there is my mom, my dad, and my little brother, and my mother's name is Laura, and she is kind and loves cooking delicious food. While my father's name is John, and he is very funny and tells amazing stories that make us laugh. My little brother, who is 10 years old, is named David, and he loves playing soccer very much, every morning. Our family eats breakfast together, and my mom makes delicious pancakes while we sit at the table, talk, and laugh. After breakfast, my dad goes to work because he is a doctor, and my mom stays at home to take care of the house, while I go to university to study English, which I enjoy very much because I like learning new words. My brother David goes to school, where he is in 5th grade, and he likes subjects such as math and science. In the afternoon, I help my mom with house chores, like cleaning the rooms and watering the plants, and sometimes we bake cookies together. David comes home from school at 3 o'clock and always tells us many stories about his day. On weekends, we spend time together doing fun things, such as going to the park for picnics, where David and I play soccer, and sometimes my dad joins us because he is very good at it. While my mom likes to read a book under a tree, we also enjoy watching movies together, and our favorite is Toy Story, which always makes us laugh. Sometimes we go to the beach, where we build sandcastles, swim in the sea, and feel happy under the sun. We also have a pet dog named Max, who is very playful and loves running around the yard. And David and I often take him for walks. One day, something sad happened when Max got sick and could not run or play, and we all felt worried. My dad took him to the vet, and after getting medicine, we took care of him until he got better. And we felt so happy when he started running again. My grandparents live in another city. And we visit them during the holidays because they are very kind. And my grandmother makes the best apple pie, while my grandfather tells interesting stories from his youth. At Christmas, we decorate our home, put up a big tree, hang ornaments, and put lights on it. And on Christmas Eve, we open presents, sing songs, and enjoy a big dinner together. Last year, something exciting happened when my aunt had a baby named Leo, who is very cute and smiles a lot. And my mom says he looks like my dad when he was a baby. Of course. My family sometimes has small disagreements. For example, David and I sometimes argue about toys. And my parents sometimes have small arguments too. But we always make up, say sorry, and hug, because we love each other very much. One of my favorite traditions is our Sunday dinner, when my mom cooks roast chicken with vegetables, and we talk about our week. One Sunday, my dad tried to surprise my mom by cooking dinner himself, but he accidentally burned the chicken, and The kitchen filled with smoke, which made us all laugh so much until my mom took over and saved the meal. One of my best memories is when we went to the mountains for a trip, where we hiked and saw beautiful views. And at night we sat around a campfire while my dad told us scary stories. We roasted marshmallows, made s'mores, and enjoyed every moment of that perfect trip. Even though life has both good and bad times, my family always stays together, supports one another, and makes me feel loved. One day I dream of traveling the world with my family, visiting new places and tasting different foods. My dream is to see Paris. My mom wants to visit the Eiffel Tower. My dad wants to try French food. And David wants to go to Disneyland. I love my family very much because they make my life special and full of joy. Thank you for listening to my story. And if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in the next video.